Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So there are days when you are running late and you still want to look your best and you don't have time to look for products and then sit down and do the entire makeup. This is just the look for you, which looks as if there is no makeup on your face but still you're wearing it and your face looks well defined. So if you want to see how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So I'll start off with the BB cream. Here I'm using an Inveda BB cream in the shade Fair because it's like an everyday look. You don't want to look a lot cakey. So I'm just using the BB cream and then setting it with a compact. You can use any compact of your choice, of your shade and of your liking. So here I'm using the Lakme compact to set my face, and my son is helping me out in today's makeup look. Then I'm using this Jordana Kohl lip pencil, which can be used as an eye pencil, as which can be used as a eyeliner as well as a lip pencil. I'm just using it in my waterline, and I will also use it as a eyeliner, yes, there, and also as a lip liner later on. So it's a single product, multiple usage. This look actually is done by using just 5 products. So yeah, we are down 3. This is the third product which I have used as a eyeliner and also in my waterline. I'm using this Maybelline Quad, a diamond quad, which has 4 shade. I'm taking this lightest shade, which is a highlight kind of a shade in my brow bone and also on my cheekbones to give like a pop highlight, so that my face looks really fresh. So I'm just taking that and then just blending it out with the help of a brush. You need to look fresh, right? So just using it on all the usual areas, not too much. I just want to have the right amount of shine. Then taking that Jordana pencil again, and I'm just lining my lips, and then I'll just fill in with the same lip liner. I'm not using any lipsticks right now. You'll see what I'll do later. So I'm just using it all over my lips, and since it is drying I have to use something over it, but we'll see that afterwards. Then I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara, which is waterproof. Since it is rainy season, you need to be very cautious about this. So I'm using a waterproof mascara, and as you guys know, this mascara is amazing. It gives such an amazing volume to the lashes. I just love this mascara. So I'm just generously putting it all over my eyelashes, and then taking the same quad again, using those 2 middle shades, and I'll use them as a blush. So it has a bit of shine to it, and they are not very pigmented. Like, they are pigmented, but it will give just the right amount of color that you need to your cheekbones. I'm just scolding my son there. He was like irritating me. So yeah, he has helped me throughout the look, showing out all the products, helping me out in every possible way. I'm taking that BB cream and dabbing it all over my lips. What this will do is provide the right amount of moisturization to my lips, as well the color will be, as well as the color will remain intact. So there'll be moisturization, but I don't need another lipstick over my lip liner, and the color is there. I'm using the same pencil to just define my brows, just fill in my brows. Basically, the look is actually more about defining your features rather than actually putting on makeup. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that it was really helpful to you guys, because like, this is literally a 5-minute makeup look where your face will look defined, yet there is not a lot of makeup on your face. If you're somebody who doesn't like to wear a lot of makeup, and then you can carry it to a party as well, because it just gives the right amount of texture, definition to your face. So do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you next time. Take care. Bye.
हाँ ये दिखाओ, पहले ये दिखाओ, दिखाओ जी। वो अपने दायित्व से भागते हैं, दायित्व निभाना नहीं चाहते हैं। भगवान ने आपको खड़े रहने के लिए पेड़ दिए, तो टिकाने के लिए भी कुछ ना कुछ दिया ही होगा। भाई बन बड़े प्यार से बोला, सुनिए, तो नीच बनकर पता है इसका क्या सीन है यार? इसे बाहर से मम्मा के खाओ, मम्मा के
मम्मा दिखनी चाहिए। अरे आप पकड़ो ऐसे, बस पकड़ो।
खिलाड़ी कौन आ गया? अरे जान प्यारा है हमको गया भाई। सपना में भी ऐसा देर नहीं कर सकते। कोई साला ऐसा देर नहीं करेगा। पक्का बाहर का
ऐसे गोल गोल घुमा के ऐसे।
जीजा जी,
हाँ तो इसका
जल्दी करो भाई।
जल्दी करो।
अब पुलिस आ गई, घुमाइए।
अरे भाई
हाँ खोलो नहीं, बस
लगा।
ऐसे दिखाओ।
बड़ा हिम्मत बढ़ गया तुम्हारा।
सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होना क्या भैया?
थैंक यू।
जैसे
नहीं
पता
खोलो
चला
नहीं
कि
आप,
आपका आदमी है,
खोलो नहीं,
हम
छोड़ो।
कैसे
अब
कर देंगे?
खेलो बेटे ट्रेन से।
और कसम।
भाई आपका सलाम का गेम है, तो ऐसे शास्त्र